All right.
We're going to show you guys how to make bread like this. This is the style we like. It's nice and dark on the outside. It's crusty. It has blisters. Has a nice dark eyeliner on the ear. And it's got a nice big volume. And hopefully when we slice this bad boy open, it'll have a nice open crown. This is a 90% hydration loaf. So hopefully when we cut it open, we're going to have a nice interior that has no dense spots. It's fully fermented. And this is 20% whole grain in this loaf. And yeah, so let's take a look at it. We're going to give it this slice open and see what it looks like.
Ready?
Oh, that's nice. So you can see we've got lots of big holes in here, no dense spots in it. It's great. So this is what we're looking for, a nice open, moist crumb. So this is our bread. This is the style of bread we like to make. It's dark, it's crusty, it's blistery, it's got a nice eyeliner on the ear on it, and it's high hydration. As you can see, we've got a really open crumb, as much volume as possible in these loaves. So we're just trying to make a really airy, really light sourdough that stays moist. The nice thing is it lasts for a really long time on the counter, a lot longer than lower hydration bread.